Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to bring photos to life using this app on your phone. This works for iPhone and Android phone and it looks like this. Before we begin, don't forget to enter my giveaway where I'm giving away £10 Amazon gift card voucher to a random subscriber every week. You just need to subscribe and comment on my last video for this week. The link should appear at the top right of this video. Winner will be announced on Sunday 14th March 2021. So go to your App Store or your Play Store and download this app called myheritage. Once you have downloaded it, open the app and the app will then ask you to sign up. Sign up using your email address. Then on the next screen, it'll ask you for your family history. It is entirely up to you to fill it in, or you can leave it blank and press next several times, which will then take you to the home page of the app. Now tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen, then tap on photo. Select a photo from the photo library and then press upload. Here I'll select a photo of Michael Jackson. Make sure the photo is a portrait of that person, as this will give the app a better chance to process that image into a moving picture. Once the photo gets uploaded, you should see it in the app gallery. Tap on it to edit it. Now to animate the photo, tap on the icon that looks like a circle with three lines. This is located at the very left of the screen. The app will start to process the image, and with the help of AI technology, it'll animate the photo. This process can take up to a minute, so wait patiently. Once done, you'll start to see the person in the photo move. Just above the photo, you can choose from 10 different animation styles, but each time you press a different style, the photo has to be rendered again. Once you're happy with the animation style, go ahead and press download to download it to your photo library. Now, as you can see, this was a photo and it has now become into a moving photo. And there you go, that is how to bring your photos to life using this app on your phone. Hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.